So next we want to learn how to create our own songs with AI, and therefore we are trying out Suno.com, and you will find a link to this down in the video description. And it's basically an AI which will create songs for you, and you can just go in and just write whatever song you want to hear, and it will go ahead and create it for you. So basically it helps when you say the genre, so make a house song about quitting your job, for example, or make a country song about just being late. So it's always a good idea to start with friends, maybe for their birthday or people get married. Then you can just generate a song for them. So you can just sign up and then you can just type in whatever you want and it will create the song for you. But let's listen maybe to other songs people have created on the platform first, because I think most of you won't have any song idea right in their head right now. So for that, let's go in and sign up, and you see here how many credits you have, and then we can just play maybe a song which was played over 8,000 times here.
City glow reflecting off the windshield glass. Your hand in mine, got the side I smile. Radio low, ain't rush, just wow.
So I think this is a proper R&B song, and someone just created fully with AI. And let's take another example here.
Met in a season I wasn't searching, nothing of eviction. Just getting used to my own routines and
So you can hear the vocals are crazy good. It's a proper tool, and people are even creating their own artist with it and upload it to Spotify, and they actually make money with it. So there are like case studies on it where people generate their own singers, so to say, and then they start generating songs for it, and then they upload it to Spotify and people are listening to it, even though it's fully created by AI. So I think that's crazy by itself, and I would just invite you now to try it out. Just click on create here and it will bring you to this page, and here you see some songs which I have created in the past, but you can just go ahead and type in your own idea. So I'm not too creative on songs and music. I would just ask ChatGPT for this. So I'm currently making a tutorial about Suno AI and how to create your own song. And let's say I want to have something like, let's say the video game GTA 6 coming out, and I want to have like a song for this, for the video game, like an intro song. And please give me a proper prompt to put it in Suno AI so it will create a good song for us. So if you don't have any idea, always use ChatGPT. Since this is an AI course, I think this is fine because we want to leverage AI for us. So copy paste this prompt. Let's go ahead, creating a high energetic cinematic song, and I will just copy the prompt and go back to Suno AI, and then I can put it in and it will create the song for us. And this prompt is very long. Usually you don't need that much of a prompt because it will get created itself, but you can also go ahead and upload an audio file. So for example, if you play the guitar and you want some vocals on your guitar solo, then you can just upload your guitar solo and the AI will do the vocals for you. Or you can do it also, upload the lyrics, so whatever lyrics you want to have in the song, then you can write it in. And yeah, but I'm always a big fan of this simple description. And if you have like a couple who gets married, some friends of you, then you can just go in ChatGPT first, dictate like, okay, they're called, I don't know, Simon and Eve, and they were together for 5 years and now they're getting married and they have 2 kids and so on and so on. And then the AI will make a nice song for you. But let's say we have the prompt here for our GTA 6 game coming up, and then we have the song description, the prompt in here, which we had from ChatGPT, and then let's click on create. And now it's going ahead and creating the song for us. And they are doing a funny trick here. They always generate you some pro version song up here, and then you need to upgrade to buy the full song, or some free. On the free plan, you always have these 2 options here. So as with any AI tool, they always have different models. So here the version 5 is currently in beta mode, and you can choose this to have the pro level, or you choose the 4.5 all, and then this is the best free model as of right now. So depending on the quality of sound you want to have, and yeah, of course, if you upgrade and you want to make a career creating AI songs, then you probably need to upgrade in order to have the best songs. But I think for this tutorial or for friends and families purposes, I think the free version is nice as well. And so it generated for us 4 different versions. This one is currently still generating, but let's see if we can listen into it.
City breathing. was quiet, steps on a whetstone. Every rooftop feels like home. Blame it on me, but I'm the one that's thinking this is the night run protocol.
So I don't know about you, but I think this is pretty sick. If you have like a video game going on which you programmed, or maybe you developed it with AI, I think having this Suno.com AI working for you and generating songs for you is perfect, because this is a proper intro song for a video game. And then you can just download the whole thing. So here under the three dots, you have different options. Of course, you can make a remix or create something new out of it. But I think most of you just want to download it, for example, as an MP3 audio or a waveform audio, and then you can just download it and put it on the video, put it on a video game, or play it at your next wedding or maybe birthday for a friend. And yeah, just get creative. This is called Suno.com, and it's currently the best AI for songs. So just type in whatever you want, give it the genre, and then the AI will generate the song for you. And you can just hit create again, and it will give you a different version. Or when it's too dark of a sound, then you can just edit the prompt and say, don't make it like a dark sound, make it just an electronic hip hop mixed with cinematic trailer music. Yeah, I think you get the idea. Just have this prompt here, put it in, and when the song is generated, this was now 2 minutes 49 seconds long. You can also tell it the length if it should be longer, and then you can just download it and use it for your project. I hope you like it. It's the first few songs are for free to try it out and have fun with it and generate your next song.